let's see how much it's going to get. Well, this is our storm of New York.
Along with the vlog of the week.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I don't want one.
Okay.
You kidding me? I got to fight just to get through this stuff. Hey, at least he did this part, huh?
A truck did this part. You can see the track.
So, well, you could see Veronica over here. Let's get Veronica, because you'll never see her in a vlog of a week anymore, because she don't like doing vlogs with me no more.
You better look at me now, because then you won't be able to see me after this. I'll be buried in it.
That's right. It'd be like her being put under a cat litter box.
Look, I'll stand next to this snowbank.
No. Go over this way. I don't want you fooling around, because I want you falling.
I'm not going to fall.
You'll fall down and go boom boom. Then I got to pick you up. This is what it looks like.
Now, this is proof of how stupid people are.
Yeah, you got to see how they plow and everything.
They plow here, but look at over here.
We're going to get you across here. Because Veronica is too short for the snowbanks. It's true. Stand her up by a snowbank. Compare it. Feels easier going back than it did coming, huh? Can't get out because... This is what it looks like. Look at this shit over here. Thank God for this thing. That's all I can say. I know my hand got in the way. Thank God this is an outside camera. We'd lose it. Look at the snow. Snow flurries are almost as big as Veronica. They are almost as big as you. I feel like I'm in a kitty litter box. You know that, right?
Yeah.
There's so much more we want to do for vlog of the week, but
that car was just going crazy.
To those people who don't get snow, you can have ours. We'll ship it. Can't guarantee it. At least one thing, it will be wet.
Just when you get it, throw it in the freezer.
Yeah, right. That's how bad it is, man. It's going to get a lot worse later. A bad storm.
What I should do.
This is unbelievable. Look at this.
I should get like cardboard or something to put on the windshield.
You could do that.
I can grab those at work.
I'll look good as always.
Your hair is soaked because you never put your hood up.
I did put my hood up, but it fell
not
off.
Up.
We're in whiteout. No, actually, we were in whiteout.
Yeah, believe it or not, it died down a little bit. Shockingly.
Did it?
It doesn't seem it, but you can at least see. Don't even bother now.
How's that? Did I get it off? You can't because it's all wet.
At least it won't get worse.
Well, anyway, this is our storm that we're getting pretty badly around here. And we found Veronica. She was inside that little mound here, right here. Here, let me show you, right there, that little tiny thing right there. Look at that.
You're just wrong.
Got her out. She's safe and sound.
You're
Come on, Veronica. Getting Veronica out.
My dog
That was a hell of a walk.
wet.
Oh, don't let it get wet.
Try not to.
Shit. Watch yourself. They didn't do the stairs here, so we're walking up. There were so many things I wanted to say in this video and I didn't. I'll wait for another time. This snow is pathetic. And that's my car, by the way. Yep, that's it right there. That's my car. That's my other car. That's a new car I got. We'll leave you with this tune. Happy Valentine's, everybody. She's gonna get wet. good to see it finally took them out.
Woo!
Awesome. This way I'm going to end the video now.